Spears of Victory is a key exercise on the programme, and it enables exposure not just for the force element and the fighter squadron itself, but also wider support elements to plug into a well-established hub here in the Middle East. And this exercise will enable us to practice the high-end warfighting capability that we need to master if we are to project stability in this region.
Like any good mission, it all starts in the plan. So we receive our ATO, Air Tasking Order, which essentially is a set of instructions on what they want us to do. From there, as a team of many different nations, we build the plan and then brief it so everybody knows what they're doing. Because we do things differently, different tactical ideas, different ways of doing things from each different nation, it's really important that that brief is really thorough so we all know what we're going to do and how we're going to do it. For fighter pilots, we go into what we call mission bubble, so all of my thoughts, my focus is on the mission, and that leads right the way up from kitting to out-briefing to setting and getting into the jet. My focus is on what I'm about to do and the mission. So it really is about compartmentalising, focusing all of my attention on what I'm about to do. And you can liken that to things like Formula One, where you see the drivers rehearsing the mission in their head. We're doing exactly the same thing, because these missions are pretty damn complicated most of the time. There's a lot of moving parts, a lot of different call signs, all doing different things at different times. So it's about knowing my part in that mission and then knowing how I feed in with everybody else and at what time.
Within a forward headquarters, we have specific functions and elements that we need to deliver. This could be personal management through to security. And within the normal headquarters back at home and forward headquarters, we break those up into 9 functions, 9 domains. And the DLG forms part of the A4 function. The very first task for a DLG is to be able to deploy all of the personnel, the exercise personnel, and all of the frames. So we have something called a force element table and a pre-equipment package, which we predominantly bring out for the squadron, the fighter squadron. But on top of that, we're supporting the move for all of the rest of the kit for elements such as tactical med wing and 90SU.